morning, Mama. I have some home Ahosepe Jumezido. I also for the Fantidor president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Na and I pay Jumezido bia no ye take a moment. Na drinking my way ye be ho. Minimum so possible but all day you know you home. A bread name Sisia. Well we you know about you know. I think that since I don't follow some prayer topics no ho. They hope no may na wie in your face because you been one area in your face. Cry. See, and pay mamma bibia about John ho kakra we. Now, your question some or called on social media na one chay bia na me share emoji. Menye emoji meka gospel musician no, munka beat maker no. Menye no chuchu nkomo na ochwem de oyaza new wine concert no this year obe mark 10 years I was start to the new wine concert no na this year no concert no be yaso nkokra o launch no ndeda ma yenko share information was my hempo no new wine ne baba do aba date himfa na yere no yenko share na yemra.
Then again, it's a 10th anniversary, so we decided to open up our borders and go deeper. We will not just be having new wine in Accra, just in Accra. There are places that our music, by the grace of God, and with the help of people in those areas, our music have impacted lives and people. And we believe it's time for us to penetrate into those areas and also spread the gospel and make a statement, not just for the body of Christ, but for our country, to let people know that the gospel in Ghana is still potent and it still stands and it still works. So by the grace of God, this year new wine will be in Accra and Kumasi respectively. In Accra, we are having new wine at the Oil Dome, which is my church where I serve under the leadership of the Apostle General. Our guests for Accra are as follows, in no particular order. Number one will be one of the greatest legends that we are blessed with in this country, called Adom. And we have the great Nasi, one of the great gospel ministers also in this country. He's going to be with us on that day. And we have our brother, Arrest Music. I've been trying to sing this song for some time and I still don't get it yet. I don't think I ever tried to sing because it will be a trending video. If from the wall, the rest I will try. We are also blessed to have we have four stops that will be in Scotland, Manchester, Milton Keynes, and London proper. So these will be the areas that will be having the events. Details of this will be coming out in the course of the weeks, and we will be. And yes, I'm flying with my team to the UK.
This is a moment that we have to feel proud and make sure that we push our talent, we push our artists to the zenith, so that people will see that yes, indeed, Ghana, we have a lot to offer. I'm happy to see my sister here.
Into no Samaran emoji or chirma or new wine concert no this year no be being and can zokar Kumasi zokar into no Kumasu for good news one trend man of God no be pay mo honom na why bibia pepepe o honom ma why ahom kan ehwe artist sorry ozo wona to do no ye kama papa into no ye be make a date na ye share no one new one concert 10 years anniversary na say ye gizipa there I will be able ho be ye nhira na Mamunton 3p garlic mixture and farm away 3p garlic mixture no or 100% garlic extract dra or garlic uncote in a wazaye into no say inya be na enoma na wekiti se unum dwenu pepepe yankasi enyim garlic no ho fasoze pono yes bon posa ka garlic ka ho en hon ma was say garlic bibia was for garlic kan was na garlic ye bibia oye kama papa into no say 3p4 remain garlic mixture no no bomazna na je koron fa ho we yerba no obotum na waso no zamo into no say nda say wa asthma another mpo no stress bi in enemu blood pressure cause menstrual pains high sugar level numbness obesity nyina no bomazanara na nya 3p garlic mixture or ye piwak national health for and I was a driyaba from one war 0248 928 824 another 0201 00021 bomozana free piwak for na jewoze na make so make sure the vows day you pass joy prime for the vows day is the one wa face one bo the woman I will no partner wa when you are concern ko don't know zebe ye nyinara nyi there participate or most photogenic couple jumeze orbokodo on joy prime no your partner for hunji won twa picture fe okay crow na won church on some kakra na there one can some dey do be fan cha won ho na won fan say no joy prime before number no 055 157 5757 the send one na wa obukuma nyimpa wo feed na no ka won akoma pa no ono no obo sponsor no che the vows day romantic getaway or that hondo all expense paid into your 10 pesos po so I no partner obeji ho nanwa pepepe wo mo ho na spa day for 2 and a candle light dinner na gift be bray a okeke ka ho ntino for hu jime so na vows day ma mo hwe obotoma recover from January ntino bomodna na nyebi na Juango energy drink maka cho the energy drink kope no owaga na hade vitamins ayemu ma toroni Juango energy drink enya Juango Adom krubiara enya vitamin B3, B5, B6 and the B12 into no bomazana enya Juango energy drink rasp market bia benye bi na to mpo no say abro efrem bia no mihia anyi de ebinya Juango energy drink obobusu energy no back from 0 to 200 mpo 200 crown fa no atasa into no bomazana nyebinom na last week in Musa Sunday, or able to when him lawyers ye who that for Nita, Cicera, watching who if DWP home, Puma, DWP for watch your letter. For Nita, a dancer. So I confused that. Nice, get why Afro crowd, stop, papa. Now, watching home. Ama, or ye kuna watching who if you know from DWP for no, wap short letter, the Cicera, the Rabano, on come on who be. Now, on come on who be no, not on coffee bebre, or susudem. You know watching we why a shop then dance god na wa watch girl kwe because dance god no na oka ho ma we DWP academy no oka ho what's way or one of the founding fathers na ye hu na no so watch no ho no ncheri bi rabe so watch no ho ntina nkofuru bi se questions pa say wadwo no ye won tanta ma me menya answer to your question ma yen kwhwe video yi na yembra
they drive my motor.
Okay, you know, Macadam, I miss them. No crazy, or your crop pet. Because, dance God, don't you for Nita was share special connection in Pono started DWP, you know, or now not a now no training, and you know, now you know what's so annoying and Kappa, and you know, to see this again, no, or may happy papa, and you know, what your question, no, or you answered. Sisi amenyoka say Afronita wa join the dance god na za yata tinye there champion rolly or ya Afronita na boyfriend no aha info aye okitanye there brother na sumpo no oya wa join and they pay questions bebre wo hen adwundo Sunday do you be photo party ye hunu wase anamboa champion rolly joiner another party no na bibi nti na ntuma anko whatever the reasons are no ye bodom esuko na ze ebenya bia no ya say yes abro say na yes ko konsa ze we this oye na hom ka papa nti no Afronita also new beginnings into no mame nyame mbo and we you know ye Nigeria film na baka do fi hade ko hade into no na braboli ze David mame nya Nigeria film na ye hwe atasa into no nyankopon nhia no na zori ye wo honum bia no so honum so on shine pepepe na before abafa my story no me pede ite ye nyum bi me pede ite ye nyum bi oje wo nyum bi ona ne pontina m starting me se da dwendwen we awie yi ho no dwendwen na awie yi no ho te ye nyum na mama kama asam nchiro enyim ochena yen sheda yenyim ze ochena obesini nti and there say you make decisions eya yen like yen dwendwen ho ye decision be make mpo no de pede start to smoking mpo no se pede tattoo ho mpo no drugs bi de pede kotan prostitution de pede kom onfo ho edwumazi be pede izibia mpo no sa ye wadwene pede izisofo kra na mame ochena nti oye ochena nti dwendwen huye yansana no mono etu na you know oyare wholesome but enyida do ho because chokonkon kwa me yeta se dey say yenwu yinkoteza no ye wo chance dey ebotum na yasesan nyama nti no say chokonkon aka ndam za no man but who am I mini waka say Moisha Budon biggest socialite ever mpomo obebe ye actress say ye kabaka na ye ka kala na ye ka hofa na nka otdo papa sika so ze mami onye bi papa wedru bi ankasa na menyoreka say oye last week ni mu no na ye nya nte de wabo fom ebisi wenye stroke some days kofu kan bebre but na ye nya no koro wo mu nti no nya mabba amenze ba menyoreka say oyaza ni nua wofa no ebito otabotu goda sisi onya ne kase na sister when your stroke emodin sisi am you can say or battle for the life ankasa ma sika kra na wo benya was asan yerba no kra no why zim aman intino we go fund me will be some work from Ghanaians there Ghana for mbwa na wombabwa go fund me no damage you know donate to help Moisha Budon esha nyimpe ba san we donate into wenya $105 na sika wahwehwe ankasa ye $10,000 na wetum na was asane yerba wetum we jana na ndu biom February in the year 1st February say ye ro February mu a na oyo odosam na odon America no obi was odon aye mpado aguzi de bi odon aye ka no onye mpado aguzi odo na oyo odo de ye be kira ye ho do oyo odo de wunye kwa hohie mu a ebotum na aboan into no anepe samaso mugina ha mzema na atomu bi ebotum a kwobua sister Moisha ebotum a kwobua sister Moisha Budon ko sisi be mu wedru na nya enyan ohiamwa munkatwi mumboa no eje mumboa no opamocho na si sister no ontu mo nsa nja na de because na me ken no chokonkon se agida nyimpa no wafim na so onfim paaza no ekwan wo ho akwanya de ho da obotum na wasesa na wa turn around tino nyambomozna na ombo bia ebotum na yeza aboa Moisha no nyina busuafo in this period no so ye mpaibo so ye sikafem so ye words of encouragement zibutum aye bia no ye na fabon intumi nyahwe intumi ye ba se ya make so mame mefo wanu ntum nkakaka za ohia biala at this point onye necessary na la obosu na lesson ai into no ye free ho na maka Moisha na samawie oyaza me yo ka say the day you oze dwato aboto Ghana fu he na nyem na mpocho menyim na atsededaw nyamo story ningen na so amazing kana hwe na mo story na nkasa no mabobo mu nta wotie the day you.
Hi everyone. This past days has been very difficult days for every Ghanaian football fan and myself. I would like to apologize for the results in the AFCON that we just exited. we know that we should have done better, that we should have brought better results to the nation.
And all pachawan. Na dede men pachawana. But my young reaction to me can no and story name the day are you any issues no story no reactions because oyaza or beka say we no kensak e beka bibi kakana kensak ichema you love your country and we love and appreciate you, King. Can we be in our feelings? Okay, also we can be in our feelings because of how attached we are when we see the flag, but trust me, we are grateful for your efforts. Into no kensak also there oyaza onyim de da you we know you so hono na mancha da nyina ya jonko so ben ko kada ai azaza because you know kensak or your opinion atasi into no Davido so bacho nothing spoil baba something spoil Davido bacho shemane zu kromasam na ya so yenzi yen kromasam ai because fit them den besin da no recover ma mo wish them coffee happy birthday na mo free her day na mo konti happy birthday sonko onko Manuel Jesse ende e wa woda nti no mobompa ya moda yakopon onhira wo kon sonko do ende nyameze afekora ka wafe ho no onsesa nyama bebre wo wabrabom nti Manuel Jesse inde ye wawoda happy birthday onko ma Kelvin asoche inde ye wawoda waso nyame insure papa na onkro wodo omenyi na beye penyin pa beye mfoso zekase man Ghana Samuel nana yaw inde ye wawoda happy birthday to you Samuel nyame inyo kese ai omenyi na beye penyin pa beye mfoso man Ghana Messi ni kwe and wawoda Messi happy birthday to you nyame insure wow lovely girl nyame in your kese Helena dankwa and wawoda ji when you are star bi ate mami eso no wa fumpo mu no onye kese na hoda Helena dankwa happy birthday to you insure baked and wawoda happy birthday to you young man nyame insure no onye kese ate na omanyi na be penyin pa be for so man Ghana Justin Badin and wawoda Justin nyame insure na onyo kese Prophet Ricky AJ Prophet and wawoda happy birthday to you nyame yusu papa yusu ye ai Prophet Ricky AJ Caris also and wawoda nyame insure na onyo kese de ebe ye kese pa wuzini nyi ha but and wawoda nyame sure happy birthday to you di when you style baby na ze ehwa kwenda yakopon obeya mo bia no onye mo numbers no yes what to do say nda wawoda another ochina ye wawoda for today na yenya kwana ya mo wish happy birthday sunday hu hien ye papa meza Ahosepe no mezi besi hade wo be Kofi Ampedu ye producer director ama Abilonzi amanie I don't know to make sure producer all the stories in amamde membra na membe ye Fantino nyame sure I see you bright or sound nyame sure when nyina am da hona say obi am ambonizi so bombia no nyame sure when ye pa sisi areze macron ba bedwom retiedo